circumference of circle is given. What is given? Circumference of circle is given. Circumference of circle 154 meters. 154 meters. So we want to find the radius. How to find the radius? So what is the formula of circumference of circle? That is the area of circle. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Okay, na? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r equal to 154 meters. Now you want to find the radius. So you have to replace in the pi place 22/7. Okay, na? You want to radius? You have to replace in the place of pi 22/7. So 2 into 22/7 into r equal